How are you guys doing? I just posted a video from our Christmas celebration and it's linked up here. It's New Year's Eve. We have our friends and family coming over and we're gonna show you our New Year's Eve setup and food that we cook tonight. Hope you enjoy it. This is our Mechado. It's a family recipe and we cook it every Christmas or New Year's. That's our Sopas cooking. So I added some red and black peppercorns, some chicken sausage links, some chicken that was left over from the other day from our steamed chicken, and some carrots. And then I'll be adding the pasta later and some milk. This is our turbo chicken. It's an all-time favorite. It's a really simple dish with a big impact. So I also made Tater Tots casserole with ground beef and cream of mushroom, and green beans casserole with French fried onions and cream of mushroom as well. So this is the final outcome. This is our setup with all of the dishes that we cooked. That's our turbo chicken, our Mechado. That's our family recipe and we always make it for Thanksgiving or Christmas or New Year's. And that's the Tater Tots casserole and the green beans with French fried onions. That's some pandesal from Valerio's. And that's our platter. Those are peanuts, caramel, popcorn, and fish crackers. And those are our crackers and two kinds of cheese. That's basil and chives and cranberry cheese, and some fruits. And we have some rice and fruit salad. And my friend actually baked some goodies for us. This is chantilly cake. So this is our New Year's Eve dinner. Oh yeah, you forgot to pray.
Yes. Oh, you did it too? Yeah. Oh, I didn't even mention that. Yeah. The boys are going to
This is a snippet of our low-key New Year's Eve celebration. We are thankful for the opportunity to be able to share with you our adventures. Thank you to all of our subscribers and viewers who comment on our videos. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to the next year with more adventures and videos for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below. Share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe because I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching!